Heyo, Lightcore Place here. This is my first time doing a tutorial video, so it might not be the best, but I'll give it my best effort. Before we start, I want to make this clear. I assume at least some of you already know this, but this is not my real voice. This is the Daniel voice or the MLG voice that you typically hear in meme videos. So don't be deceived thinking this is a voice reveal. Anyways, let's get into this tutorial video. I had a comment asking how to give a song the Alvin and the Chipmunks vibe. Well, this is how I did it. First, I copied the link of the song I wanted to tinker with from YouTube. Then I went to a YouTube to MP3 converter online and pasted the link of the song in the slot where it says enter a valid video URL. I'll put the link of this YouTube to MP3 converter down in the description. If this website is acting glitchy or to you, then there are other YouTube to MP3 converters. Just search up YouTube to MP3 converter on Google and you'll find many options. Be sure to avoid sketchy websites and stay safe surfing the web. Moving on, after you place the link of the video you wish to tinker with in the box, press convert. The converting process normally takes a few seconds or so. When the video is done converting into an MP3, not an MP4 file, press the download button to download it. From here, you'll need another tool to turn the song into an Alvin and the Chipmunks kind of style. Go to your local app store and find the Music Speed Changer app. This is how the icon looks like, and I'll have the link for it from the Google Play Store down below. If that doesn't work, then try to get Audacity. The link for that will be in the description below. If that doesn't work either, then try to find another app which can change the pitch of a sound. From there, open the Music Speed Changer app or the other program you have installed and go to the song of your choice in your program's song library. Select the song and raise the pitch only, do not raise the tempo. After you've raised the pitch to an amount which makes the song sound like it's being sung by Alvin and the Chipmunks, download this new version of the song. In the Music Speed Changer app, go to the three buttons in the top right corner and press Save to File, which should be the first of the given options. Once you've pressed Save to File, an advertisement will pop up which you can immediately cancel out of and wait for the file to finish downloading. Downloading usually takes a few minutes, and depending on the length of the song, the longer it is, the longer it will take to download. Once the file has been downloaded, if you'd like to turn that into a video, then find the video editor on your device, or get one. If you don't have one already, change if you choose so, and upload an Alvin and the Chipmunks wallpaper or any other wallpaper you choose. Add the Alvin and the Chipmunks version of the song to the video, do the steps necessary in your video editor, and there you have it, your Alvin and the Chipmunks song/video. I hope this was of help to you. To show some support, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and comment down below. Stay safe, may God bless you, and remember that this is your Lightcore Place, your place of Lightcore. Until next time, peace.